Hey guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we're in Metrocentre in Newcastle. We've come to a place called Nandos here to try out some food. It's the first time I've come here, so I thought to myself, you know what, let's get some food from Nandos. So let's go inside Nandos. So we took a seat on our table and we got the menu in front of us. Let's open the menu. Let's see what food do they have. Right, here we are guys. Here, the variety of food, what they have here. Look at this. There's plenty to choose from. I'm gonna go for the half of chicken with 2 sides. That's what I'm gonna go for. But the food in the photo looks really good. This is where they cook their food there. I've also gone with a peri mac and cheese as well, so thought, you know what, we'll try that as well. And you know what, I've gone for extra hot as well. I just want to experience it, how extra hot it is. So here guys, you got the variety of drinks to choose, which drink you want to keep refilling. So it's a refilling station this. You got a bit of ice there as well. You got plenty of tomato sauces there. And you got your cutleries here as well, which is fantastic. You guys, you got plenty of seating areas here in Nandos. So we just placed our order and we just wait for our food to come. Once the food comes, I'll show you guys what it looks like. We've got our food on the table. Look at this. This is absolutely looking phenomenal. So we got the fries, we've got the chicken, and we got a macaroni cheese. Wow, can't wait to get stuck in this now. So let's do it. So here we are guys, we've got our chicken here, look at that. So first of all, it's nice and cooked inside. Look at that, let's give this a taste. That's really nice. So plenty of flavours coming out of that chicken. It is hot, but not too hot. And let's give the fries a taste. So we've got the peri peri salt chips. Let's give it a taste. Very nice, good quality chips. And you can see it's a good potato content there as well. And you can taste the peri peri salt in that, which is fantastic, really enjoyable. Let's try the macaroni cheese guys. So here we are, look at that, macaroni cheese. Very saucy, as it's got melted cheese on it, and it's good, right? Right then guys, so we've just finished our meal and I must say I'm over the moon with the food, how it was, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. And I would recommend you guys coming to Nandos. If you haven't tried Nandos, please do take a visit. It's really fantastic, the food is quality, and customer service has been fantastic as well. We've had a good time. Just come out of Nandos there, and this is the Metrocentre here. So this is the food court, all this is a food court. Yeah, so let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.